In this video, we're going to look at the approval cycle for content. We can see that we've got our PDF file that's been delivered into the platform. And if I open this up, we've got that high-res dialog view that lets us examine this content in more detail. So we can see we can really zoom in and inspect this content. Lots and lots of tools available. I know that we've touched on this on another video, so I'm not going to go into too much detail. But I'm just going to take on the role now of someone that's actually inspecting this content and is going to make some comments on that. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to put a comment on, and I'm going to say, please place the BMW logo here. And we can make that more obvious if we want to use the circle tool to place where that needs to go. And I'm going to make a text change. So we can highlight text by word, line or paragraph. I'll leave it on line. I'm going to extract that out. We can see that it's pulled that text directly. And I actually want to change it from 96A to 92AH. And we can see now that it actually highlights in green that text change. So again, not going into too much detail, but very quick to be able to go in and select text and make changes that we can see. And I think we'll leave it there for now. And I'm going to close this down. And we can see that I'm actually in an approval cycle. So I'm the design approver on this. I'm going to say, actually, I'm going to reject this content. And we can see that it will go to rejected status. And we'll see that that's been done. What we're going to do now is go back into InDesign. So I'm going to take on the role of the person that's actually read those comments all within the platform. And I'm going to make those changes. So the first thing I'm going to do is use my plugin to actually place that missing asset. So let's grab that logo and drag and drop it into the page. So that's gone in. And I'm just going to scale that to fit. So that can go in. And I'm going to make the text change. So I'm going to change that to 92. And now that's actually finished, I can go back up to my final folder and I'm going to upload my new PDF. That will now go in. So that's now processing. And now what we'll see on the front end is that that PDF file has now actually gone to version 2 of 2. So we can see that it's actually done a revision on that content, and we can see that it's reset the approval and gone back up again. So we can see straight away that it's turned red and it's actually failed on the pre-flight. So you can put pre-flight in on any of this content. I'm not going to go into too much detail on that now, but if I look at the pre-flight report, I can look at it in PDF format. So if there was a problem with the pre-flight, we can see any potential issues that have gone on with that page. In this example, I'm actually going to push it through the pre-flight, so I'm just going to approve it because I've got permission to do that. And now if I want to see what those changes look like, I can go back into the dialog high-res view. We can see that we're viewing the new version now, and I'm actually going to compare it back to the original version. So I'm going to use the compare option, and we've got the ability to view content side by side. So here's my original, here's my newly uploaded version. I can use an overlay, so that way I can do before and after of what that content looks like. And we've also got an analyze tool, which then allows you to do a dot for dot, and we can actually see the changes that have been made, and we can see that flashing. So lots of different tools to be able to track those changes, and you can have multiple versions of this content. So very easy to mark up changes. I don't need InDesign or Illustrator or Photoshop to mark up this content. Easy to communicate it back. Easy to change that content via the plugin, whether it be in Illustrator, Photoshop or InDesign, and easy to deliver that content back into the platform and actually see those revisions.